If you set out to design the future, what would you require? Machine precision? Exacting engineering? What if that wasn't the only road you could take? What if there was a higher ambition? At Lexus, we believe in a better future, where luxury is compassionate, engaging, and deeply personal. Where technology is imaginative, effortless, and exhilarating. Where omotenashi exceeds expectations with heartfelt hospitality. Where meticulous craftsmanship becomes refined elegance that captivates the senses. A future where we quietly, confidently, authentically create happiness in motion. And our relentless curiosity makes the impossible possible. At Lexus, we know that real luxury is never superficial, but thoughtfully considered and gracefully delivered. Because at Lexus, we believe in making luxury personal.
Hello everyone, my name is Shubhra Ayappa. Welcome to the Lexus Reimagination Gallery. We're about to unveil the new Lexus NX 350h. Lexus believes in creating amazing experiences for its guests, and that's exactly why we're here today. Ushering in a new era of luxury, Lexus is embracing intuitive technology, performance, design, and electrification through the all-new Lexus NX 350h. To start things off, I have with me the president of Lexus India, Mr. Naveen Soni. Hello, Mr. Naveen.
Hi, Shubhra. It's great to be here with you today on this very special occasion. I'd like to thank all the viewers, media friends, business partners, and Lexus fans from all over the world who are joining us today.
I'm sure everyone at Lexus is really excited about witnessing amazing today.
Yes, of course. In fact, it's very exciting time for Lexus overall. I'm very happy to be here at this pivotal time for the brand. We are reimagining and crafting our product development philosophy and how you experience it. As the new NX is the first product that follows this new brand transformation chapter, where we endeavor to make luxury personal.
Oh wow, so it's clearly more than just luxury cars. It appears to be more like a lifestyle. So can you tell us a little more about the future vision of Lexus?
Sure. Late last year, Lexus revealed the LFZ electrified concept as a hint of where the brand is headed. During the reveal, President Koji Sato shared Akio Toyota's desire to ensure that Lexus is ready to face the changing world with an emphasis on achieving a carbon-neutral society. Keeping that in mind, we have set some very aggressive goals for ourselves. We want to be completely carbon neutral by 2050, have a full lineup of battery electric vehicles in every segment by 2030, and have a portfolio of 100% electric vehicles by 2035.
That is impressive. Taking care of the environment is one of the most important needs of the society, and I'm glad to hear that Lexus is leading the way.
Absolutely. Ever since the launch of the Lexus RX, the world's first fully hybrid luxury SUV in 2005, Lexus has been on an electrified journey. We believe carbon neutrality is not just about having emission-free vehicles, but throughout its entire life cycle of production. That's why Lexus believes in multi-technology approach to get there. The Lexus electrified platform consists of variety of electrified technologies like the hybrid electric vehicles, plug-in hybrid vehicles, battery electric vehicles, and the fuel cell vehicles. We believe in introduction of the right technology at the right time in the markets that help craft a better tomorrow that is truly sustainable.
So can you tell us about the other vehicles that you'll have in the lineup?
Sure, we are testing the UX EV in the Indian car market now, and we will share more information in due time. But I can tell you now, we plan to make the future even more exciting, with Lexus developing its next generation battery electric sports car that inherits driving taste, or to say we call it the secret sauce of the performance cultivated through the development of the famed LFA. We will extend the driving taste, refined this way, to other models as we evolve.
You also speak about reimagining the brand experience. How does Lexus see the luxury brand experience evolving?
Real luxury is never superficial, but thoughtfully considered and gracefully delivered. It feels engaging, exhilarating, and deeply personal, not merely personalized in the sense of the product features, but genuinely compassionate. By making luxury personal, Lexus will authentically create happiness in motion.
I couldn't agree more. True luxury is more of a feeling than a material. So, where do we go to find these amazing experiences with Lexus?
Well, you can sense it when you drive our cars or visit one of our guest experience centers in Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, or in Chandigarh, and soon to be in Chennai and Kochi too. We are constantly trying different ways to make luxury personal for our discerning guests. We are looking to create additional brand spaces in Gurgaon, Vijayawada, and Kerala as well. And there is also a Lexus Virtual Experience Center in the works so that our guests can experience Lexus anytime, anywhere.
Oh, that's great. Keep an eye out, everyone. Lexus is coming closer to you.
Yes, our discerning guests are at the core of everything we do at Lexus. And in today's world, it is not just important to think beyond product and experiences, but consider the future you're crafting for them. At Lexus India, we have some special initiatives that are very close to my heart. Last month, we had the 5th edition of the Lexus Design Awards India. It's a platform that we've created for Indian designers to showcase and recognize their work in designing a better tomorrow. Other is our tree planting initiative, where we plant the number of trees to minimize the carbon emissions from our hybrid electric vehicles. We can proudly say that we have planted over 25,000 trees till now in our attempt to move towards a carbon neutrality in the current scenario.
Wow, you have given me a new perspective on luxury, and now I'm really excited to see what the brand has in store with the new NX.
Yes, with the new NX, we are talking about redefining the relationship between man and machine from ground up, and this would be a first of many in this new era for Lexus.
Well then, shall we take a look?
Yes, let me show you the car that marks the new era for Lexus. A combination of new technology, new style, and a whole new experience. Presenting the all-new NX350H.
Now that is a car crafted from reimagination. Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new NX350H. Now that is just the tip of the iceberg. Let's hear about what went into the development of the new NX from the man himself, right from his studio, Chief Engineer Kato-san.
My name is Takeaki Kato from Lexus International, and I'm Chief Engineer of the NX. Since our founding in 1989, we have always upheld the spirit of innovation in order to provide our customers with new technologies and values. This March, Lexus announced its future plans for our brand evolution. In addition to our growing social missions, such as carbon neutrality and then sustainable development goals, we are constantly working to build cars that exceed our customers' expectations. We strive to promptly respond to our customers' diversifying lifestyle needs, despite the fact they are changing faster than we could imagine. By 2025, we will launch about 20 new models and then improved models, including more than 10 BEVs, PHEVs, HEVs, and other electric vehicles. We will move forward with development to achieve a sense of oneness with a car and a driving that stimulate all 5 senses in a way that only a Lexus can. Lexus has been building a car based on the human-centered concept. Which has been at the core of the brand since its inception. The Tazuna concept, which embodies this ideal, will be introduced starting with this car. The cockpit space, which is a point of contact between the driver and the car, has been rethought to allow for a deeper and more intuitive connection with the car and the ability to control it at will. With its sporty performance in the city and its strong, distinctive design, the current NX has been adding color to our customers' active lifestyles since its introduction in 2014. It has been loved a wide range of customers in 95 countries and regions around the world, and with total sales of around 1 million units. It is one of the highest volume vehicles in the Lexus brand and has grown to become a global core model. As the first model of the evolution, we have been developing the car in an agile manner, continuously repeating the drive and fix process. We hope you will sense our passion when you drive the car. Thank you.
That was the Chief Engineer. Thank you, Kato-san. I must say, I'm really intrigued by the Tazuna concept and the sense of oneness with the car. I'm going to take some help to explore the car. I have with me Mr. Maharaj Mukherjee, the Executive Vice President of Lexus India.
Hi Shubhra, it would be my pleasure to show you around the car. Let's start from the outside. One of the most symbolic elements in a Lexus is the spindle grille. It's a part of our identity that is evolving with this new chapter of brand transformation that Naveen just explained a while ago. We have moved from the traditional chrome-plated to a tighter, more compact grille. It has tall U-shaped blocks with a 3-dimensional effect to create a more bold and a forward-looking impression. In the front, we also have a 3-eye projector headlamps that feature a black extension that creates a more subdued impression, accentuating the signature L-shaped DRL.
Those headlamps look really, really captivating.
At the core of every Lexus is our design philosophy, which is called the L-finesse. It can be described as a leading-edge technology applied with finesse.
That's interesting.
And now let me show you the other aspects of the car. Here, take a look at the tail lamp. It features a light bar lamp at the rear center and L-shaped lamps positioned independently on the rear fenders. They activate in a phased manner and gives a unique identity to the NX. Now let me show you a bit more of the NX from inside.
I can't wait.
You heard about the Tazuna concept from Kato-san. Tazuna in Japanese means reins of a horse. It seeks to foster robust communication between the driver and the car. The cockpit is designed to be aware of what's in front of the vehicle and facilitate smooth movement of the eyes. The layout of information leads the line of sight horizontally from the color heads-up display with very high ease. In addition, driving-related functions on the touch-sensitive steering wheel and in the cockpit aims to provide intuitive, effortless driving controls.
That is deep. Did you just say touch-sensitive steering wheel?
That's just the start. The cockpit also offers a large 14-inch EMV with touch operations. There is a soft touch door opening from inside, and here is one of my favorite features, the e-latch. The e-latch system replaces the conventional door latch unlatch mechanism with an electronic control that opens and closes the door smoothly with no wasted movements. Just give it a try.
Oh wow, that is impressive.
Let me also show you the rear seat, where most of our guests spend a considerable amount of time.
Wow, this is a very, very spacious car.
Yes, and you also have power folding seats at the rear. You can sit back and relax.
Wow, and this panoramic roof gives you like a great view and the sense of openness, which is amazing.
Yeah, the design realizes excellent daylighting and highly open feel for all the seats. Further to complement every mood, the NX has got a 64-color interior illumination option that enriches the beautiful forms and materials inside the cabin.
This car is a whole sensory journey.
And here is the icing on the cake. Let me play the Mark Levinson surround sound system. So the Mark Levinson surround sound system is used to achieve pure distortion-free sound, matching the heights of 17 speakers all around, positioned to surround the cabin to give you a feeling of being right in front of a live stage.
Wow, Maharaj, this has been truly an amazing experience. I can't wait to get on a long drive in this beautiful new NX. But do I have to be worried about rain?
Well, that's where the real beauty lies. The NX 350h comes with a self-charging hybrid electric engine that has very low carbon footprint and no range anxiety as it charges on the go without the plug points. That's why we call our cars self-charging hybrid electric vehicles.
This car just keeps getting better.
I'm not done yet. I saved some special new features for the last. The globally renowned Lexus Safety System Plus is finally here in India with the new NX 350h. LSS Plus in India comes with a range of advanced technology features including pre-collision system, dynamic radar cruise control, rain departure alert, and lane tracing assist. Also, auto high beam and adaptive high beam system in the headlamps as well.
I have absolutely loved this experience. Thank you so much, Maharaj, for this. Well, Lexus fans all over India certainly have a lot to celebrate today. All of them, me included, are anxiously waiting for the prize. To make this much-awaited announcement, I have Naveen here again. Welcome back, Naveen. I have to say I'm blown away by the new NX. It's beyond my imagination, or should I say truly shows reimagination crafted.
Thank you, Shubhra. Our guest seems to share and reflect your sentiment. We saw an overwhelming response to the all-new NX when we announced the pre-booking back in January. In fact, the bookings even exceeded our production plan that we had in mind, which shows the excitement and anticipation our guests have.
I'm not surprised. So shall we move to the one that we have all been holding our breaths for? The price of this magnificent all-new NX.
Yes, the all-new NX is available in 3 different variants at very exciting prices, starting with the exquisite variant at 64,90,000 rupees. Then the luxury variant at 69,50,000 rupees. And finally, the F Sports at 71,60,000 rupees. We look forward to seeing the response from all our guests and hope you all enjoy the all-new NX to create many more amazing experience with it. Thank you.
Thank you, Naveen. It's been a spectacular experience for me, and I hope for you too. This brings us to the end of the show. I request the media partners to stay back for the Q&A. Thank you everyone for joining us today.
You can make a statement. You can take a chance. You can do things differently. You can even reshape the future. But real change, true change, starts from within. The all-new NX. Performance that empowers you. Technology that isn't just intuitive, it's second nature. Reconceived from the inside out. To be more in tune with you.